everyone. This is Geriatric Punk by the side of the road, looking to get run over. Anyway, I was just turning around here, and lo and behold, there's a Kenworth emblem. Nice one. Oh, it's a sticker. Look at that. Huh. Keeping that. I could probably clean that up a little bit and get it to stick again. That be mine. That be my Kenworth emblem. Blum, 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 blum. I want it to stick to my rain gear. And there's my, see, I wear an Indian hat when I'm riding my Harley, just to be a dick. Alright, so there's another little adventure for you. Have yourself a beautiful day.